Good day everyone, today we are going to discuss some major themes related to the short story Nightingale and the Rose by Oscar Wilde. To read the complete note, you may visit our website litspring.com. Under themes, we will be discussing on theme of love, reason versus passion, education, human hypocrisy and deceit, materialism versus spirituality. The central theme of this story is love. It unveils the unconditional and selfless love of the little bird who sacrifices her dear life on behalf of love. It shows that true love needs sacrifices and commitments. Throughout the story, it is visible how the little bird commits herself to help the young boy to win his beloved. Her commitment is not self-centered, but rather universal. Further, the hollowness of the conditional and materialistic love is exposed through the character of the young student and his fiancée. Therefore, the story is a lesson of love, which is fabricated using frequent imageries. Reasoning belongs to logic and education. In scientific way, there should be a concrete emphasis for everything. Passion goes with emotions. Love is one of the strongest emotions in human life. The young student in this story drives the emotions rather quickly. As example, he cannot control his feeling of sorrow when he finds there is no rose in his garden. He buries his head in his hand and starts even to cry. However, his analytics of the situations are rather poor and pessimistic, or sometimes wrong. His analytics about his love and his fiancée and the Nightingale are provenly wrong. Wilde seems to be critical about the education system in contemporary society. The story reveals the repercussions of the education system. It nourishes head than heart. That is why the young student calls love as an illogical thing and goes on reading metaphysics. It further demonstrates the results of theoretical education, which creates only unbalanced individuals. The writer further suggests that necessity of aesthetic education to nourish emotional and humanistic values in people. Through the character of the young student and his fiancée, writer introduces duality and deceitfulness in people. Though the young man craves for a red rose, his necessity is driven by his passion, not by the true love. Whereas the girl breaks her promise before materialistic gain, showing her deceitfulness and her hypocrisy. As this theme covers a vast area, we have created a separate video for that. You may use the following link to read that. Although the story is intended for children, Oscar Wilde has crafted the story loaded with many shapes and shades. Whenever you read it again, you may find a brand new explanation behind each line that shows the beauty of this story. Hope you have a clear understanding about themes. You can read the post related to this using the link below.